What is up, you guys? Back here with another video. In this video, I know it's been a while, but we're going to be installing some reverse lights, some LEDs for my C6 Corvette. And these are from Vette Lights. I am partnered with them. They are my lighting sponsor. So it's going to be a little tutorial and a little before and after. So let's get right into it. All right, let's get into some of the things you're going to need for this installation. Cameraman, come a little closer. First thing you're going to need, 7 mil. Then you're also going to need your new lights. That's the only thing you're going to need for this installation, and just a passion for working on cars as well. All right. Last thing you will need, highly recommended, but I guess you don't actually need it. We have a towel here just to lay on, preferably a beach towel, but it could be your shower towel or something like that. Could be a t-shirt, but this is what I've chosen. Just sort of rainbow multicolored towel to just sort of rest my head on as I do this installation. All right, let's get into it. Okay, first things first, let me give you a little before action. You guys can see the current bulbs are a little old, a little dull, a little yellow, in need of replacement, but not to worry because that's exactly what we're doing in this video. Shortly, they will be looking a lot better. Now I want to show you where we're starting off. You can pick the passenger side or the driver's side. I picked the driver's side, and underneath the car, near the left side or the end of the diffuser, near the exhaust, you'll have 2 bolts or 2 push pins, depending on the year of your C6 Corvette. For me, I'm a 2005, so I had these push pins, but that's why I mentioned the 7 mil earlier. Most of you guys will have bolts to remove. To get rid of these, you just need a little plastic remover tool that you can get from like AutoZone. But for me, I have one, but I didn't have it with me for this video and this installation, so I ended up messing around with flathead screwdrivers and got the job done that way. But finally, however you do it, once they're off, you want to reach in sort of underneath the car, and you're going to be looking for a green piece here. Once you see it, once you have it in your hand, you know you're in luck because that's what's holding your light bulb that you're going to be replacing. So you want to grab it, pull it out, and you guys can see the hole here. And the reason I say you want to pull it out is just so you have more room to work with, and you should be able to do it. Cable should be long enough. And then you want to take out the old light bulb, and it should be easy to do. You don't have anything to pull on or press to remove it. You want to put your new one in, screw it back in clockwise. You take it out counterclockwise, put it in clockwise, and you guys can see what the difference is here. Much brighter, much better. And then I want to show you in a little more depth what I had to go through on the other side. You can see me fighting terribly to get these push pins off with the flathead screwdriver. Like I said, not recommended, but it's what I ended up having to do. But finally, once you get them off, you'll be able to rinse and repeat what you did on the other side. You'll be able to go in, grab the green piece that's holding the bulb, twist, pull it out, and then you'll be able to take the bulb out, replace it, put it back in, kind of lock it back into place, and you'll know once you lock it in that it is in place. You'll sort of feel it, and it won't be able to move much. And then here I am showing you guys how to put the pins back in. Pretty self-explanatory. You just want to push them up and then sort of hammer it down, but be careful because you don't want to break those. All right, you guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Shout out to my lighting sponsor again. Link will be in the description, Vette Lights. I think this is a very affordable and good modification to make on your Corvette. And I mean, we are sort of saving the environment with the LEDs, sort of my way of giving back to the world. So like I said, that's the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and if you want more Corvette content, it'll be right here on this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.